Wonderful hotel, super close to the station but tucked around the corner. It does have unavoidable stairs that might be tough for older people. You must go upstairs to enter the main building that has the lobby, but there are elevators inside both buildings. But the room was well furnished and extremely comfortable. The staff were all friendly and went out of their way to help us and ensure a pleasant stay. We would absolutely stay there again and we highly recommend it. Quite happy throughout the stay here. The staffs are very friendly and helpful. The place is clean and tidy. Plus, the hotel does not have private shower rooms. It's more to communal bathhouse. I didn't know at first before booking, but it is a nice surprise. The bathhouse is clean. This hotel is affordable and old-fashioned style with a 24-hour sauna and comfortable capsules. Amenities are generous, including a Japanese robe, toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, shaving cream, towels, and water. The staff is friendly and helpful. The location is in a charming neighborhood connected to anywhere in Tokyo through 2 train lines. I highly recommend and will be back. The carefully selected jazz played in the background is really nice. The staff were very kind, and I felt their warmth. I appreciate their thoughtful attention to detail. I was healed in the accessible large public bath, and the amenities and cold water were very much appreciated. The location is also outstanding. It was truly all-encompassing, and I wished I could have stayed longer. I will definitely use your services again. Thank you very much. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes from Narimasu Station to the hotel. There are supermarkets, izakayas, and convenience stores nearby, so it was easy to do some shopping. The room was spacious and easy to pack in. The staff were nice, and I would like to use this hotel again. If you are traveling alone, capsule hotels are the most affordable, but if you are concerned about having a private space and feel that a hotel single room is not necessary, this is the perfect room for you. Our stay in this facility was amazing. It was very near the Tokyo subway station. Lot of food choices around the area and near 24 hours Family Mart. What I like was they clean our room daily. We will definitely book hotel again if we visit Tokyo again. Thank you, Itabashi.